We've got British Airways, Airbus A320 Neo from Athens. About to make a... oh, there we go. So this is from Athens going over me now. And then this one's at the a319. Okay. So we're going to Gatwick, yeah? Oh, okay. So apparently we're going to be heading back to London. Where is our flight? Is it Neo, is it? Like this one? No, this one's from Athens. The next one's a 319, is it? From is it Munich, Gilly? Is that what flight radar was just telling me? Is it from Munich? I love the lights though, look at the lights on it. So that's going into Heathrow. They're all Heathrow ones. Some, I don't know why they're having to send small tiddlers over here. And there's the, is that a 319? Still hear it. He's going right over this guy, look. Where's this from? Munich, isn't it? Is that a 319 or is that a 320? 319, okay. Baby bus. Going into London at night. It's a night called flybys at night, isn't it? Eurowings has the P out noise, isn't it? It's blurry, I tell you. Right. There she is. She's beautiful.